What's up folks, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you something really exciting and interesting. It's one of the coolest features of Instagram. You can just take public opinions and you can just take you can collect information in lots of different ways on Instagram. And you can do that by making polls. Now making polls is pretty simple. So you go to your Instagram, either you want to make it to your story, you can click here, or you can go back and you can click this plus icon here, go to your story, click on create, and then you have these different types of data collecting methods you can type. This one is simple. You can type here. You can just add a happy birthday card, or I'm sorry for that. You can add a GIF to your story. You can maybe add a quote of the day. You can ask questions, like you can just open and ask me a question type of thing. You can also do quite a countdown for something, an event, or probably something like New Year's, or about one of your videos coming out or something like that. Anything like that, or meet or greet, or whatever, you just name it. And then you have this option, what's my top spicy food? It's just like an example. It's a poll. You can add in different options. You can change the question, and that's how you end up making polls on Instagram. It's pretty simple, cool, and interesting, and it's simple to do it, and you can easily make polls. And that's how simple it is. See you in the next video.